Welcome back to the channel. If you value your privacy on X, formerly known as Twitter, this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to stop people from finding your X profile using your email address. It's a quick. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Support from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and tap on Discoverability and Contacts. Next, scroll down the page until you see the option that says Let others find you by your email. Simply toggle this setting off to disable the feature. Your account will no longer be discoverable by people who have your email address. That's it. Your email is now hidden from discoverability on X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more privacy and tech tutorials.